So I have a lot of discussion with the scientists, and they try to study about happiness, winning lottery, like good marriage, or good salary, or power, money, fame, possession, whatever comes, it will change temporarily. And what scientists call baseline. Everybody has some kind of baseline. If you win the lottery, you will be happy for 2 years or a few months. Then after that, come back to the baseline. Sometimes even worse. Marriage also same. I will not tell you the years. After certain year later, come back to the same baseline. Fame also same. Power, possession also same. Money, salary, a little bit helps. Salary, if you has the best salary in your circle, a little bit helps every day. Oh, but not lasting. But then they study different thing. They study with the meditators who are watching the breathing, awareness of the breath, or compassion, loving kindness, compassion, those things. And actually baseline can change. The meditators, even when they are not meditating, they are become happier. So why is that? Because the meditators are learning these techniques, that how to apply. I think Buddha discovered that 2,600 years before, and that continued. These teachings, sometimes what we call secret of our mind. And especially in Abhidhamma, a lot of discussion about how the suffering is, how we create suffering, how we can free, eliminate, and what is the technique, and what is the achievement. So all these are there. So if you practice that, though watching breath is very boring, right? When I was young, I learned the breathing meditation. At the beginning, I thought it's boring and stupid also, because I know I'm breathing, then why I have to say that every day I'm breathing, and I hear my friends are playing, they're laughing. I really want to go there, but I'm meditating. But actually, that bringing awareness, special technique way to, you will learn this special technique how to bring awareness to the breath later, actually helping eliminate suffering and develop the happiness, even the baseline change. So now I have two choices for you. Win for the happiness. Everybody want to be happy, right? Do you want to be happy? Yes, raise your hand. Okay. So two choices for the happiness: winning lottery or watching breathing meditation. Which one you choose? Of course, normally winning lottery, right? Because our mind project out. We think win the lottery will be very happy. But actually, not really. Watching breathing actually become more happy. It can change even lasting happiness. So how it can change the suffering and have the lasting happiness? It will feel that hollowness, actually, that dissatisfaction, that incompleteness. That's the what we call the pervasive suffering. And then by doing that, then what happened? Slowly, the cause of suffering eliminate: ignorance, aversion, craving, and they transform into, not just eliminate. If you eliminate aversion, craving, ignorance, just eliminate, nothing else, then you become like a robot, right? You become like a zombie. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I don't want. Actually, not like that. What we call, they transform. So aversion become loving kindness, compassion. Craving become awareness. Ignorance become wisdom. Free but not loss. Actually, you achieve more, attain more. So that's the lasting happiness. The attainments are the lasting happiness. So that's how we need to know about the suffering, and how to practice suffering to be known, meaning actually it just need to be based on your body, mind and body. The base of suffering is your mind and body, and later it will apply the awareness of the body, feeling, mind, phenomena. So just knowing the nature of the body as a body and the mind as mind, and special, they are impermanent, changing. So that's the main practice of the truth of suffering, to be known. What you have to know? The unique quality or individual characteristic, or the general quality or general characteristic. Just you have to know these two things, and that is based on your body and mind. Once you do that, you already practice the truth of suffering. To be known is complete. Thank you.